Hello, this is Fabrizio, your AI product builder, bringing you the latest from the world of artificial intelligence. Today is the 23rd of January, 2024. Let's dive in. The European Commission is ready to launch an innovation strategy that focuses on establishing AI factories and boost the use of generative AI in strategic sectors. As part of the initiative, support infrastructures such as supercomputers and data centers will be developed to assist in the creation and application of generative AI models. The strategy highlights the significance of key generative AI systems like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Bard, which are based on foundational models such as GPT-4 and are considered essential for Europe's competitiveness and technological independence. The initiative involves the GenAI4 EU program, designed to link AI startups with established industries, and includes a €500 million commitment from Horizon Europe and the Digital Europe programs for funding. It also incorporates measures for the ethical and responsible use of AI and is in step with the forthcoming formal adoption of the EU's AI Act. Moving on to the retail world, generative AI is quickly becoming a game changer in the industry's 2024 strategy. The National Retail Federation noted that 81% of retail decision makers see the urgency in adopting AI. Amazon has introduced an AI tool in its mobile app for answering product questions, while Carrefour and Walmart are utilizing AI for tasks like video script creation and improving online shopping experiences, respectively. Victoria's Secret is partnering with Google Cloud to integrate AI for personalized product recommendations. And here's some other exciting news. Meta is intensifying its commitment to artificial general intelligence, or AGI, with CEO Mark Zuckerberg announcing plans to open source AGI developments for integration into daily life. Meta is currently training a new large language model, Llama 3, and plans to expand its infrastructure with 350,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs by the end of the year, a significant increase in investment, demonstrating the company's ambition to lead in AGI research. In other developments, the UK's Information Commissioner's Office, or ICO, has started consultations on the legal aspects of training AI models with personal data gathered online, aiming to align data protection laws with the rapid advances in generative AI. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization has introduced governance guidelines for the ethical use of AI in healthcare, emphasizing the need for oversight to maximize benefits and minimize risks. Switching gears to cybersecurity, NetEnrich has discovered a malevolent generative AI tool, FraudGPT, on the dark web, capable of creating deceptive content and malware. Alongside FraudGPT, WormGPT is being used for phishing attacks. Experts are stressing the need for user education and regulation to counter these threats. Looking at the impact of AI on society, the Brookings Institution is hosting a panel discussion on the impact of generative AI on the dissemination of misinformation and cybersecurity threats to democratic processes, ahead of elections involving countries that make up 41% of the global population and GDP. And in financial news, Bloomberg has launched a generative AI tool on its terminal to provide summaries and analysis of company performance, aiming to aid financial analysts during earnings season with insights from earnings data and transcripts. On the On Record PR podcast, Lydia Petrakis from Microsoft has shared how generative AI is transforming the legal sector from research to compliance. The conversation also touched on the need for a cultural shift for successful AI integration and the evolution of billing practices to encourage innovation. And here's a notable achievement in AI voice technology. 11 Labs, an AI voice generator company, has achieved unicorn status, indicating the potential and growth of AI-driven voice synthesis. Meanwhile, Microsoft's Brain_Wave series has concluded with a focus on neural networks, generative AI's creative potential, and the need for ethical AI usage. Lastly, Singapore is enhancing its regulatory framework for generative AI to ensure consumer safety and international compliance, while Microsoft has introduced Azure AI Studio, a platform for developing AI applications, aiming to streamline the creation of AI-powered agents for developers and data scientists. Wrapping up, an Everest Group report indicates that most enterprises are in the early stages of AI adoption, with a majority conducting pilot programs or using generative AI in limited production. By 2025, a shift to a more mature phase of AI deployment is expected, although challenges like budget constraints and talent shortages remain. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.